going on, guys? I know it's been a long time and I feel like I say this every video because I'm taking so much time in between videos, but a little update on how I've been good. How are you guys? Let me know how your projects and stuff are going. Any questions on your builds, let me know. It's a little update. The 9th gen Civic is gone, the black coupe is gone, the black sedan's gone. Right now I'm currently driving this 98 RS, no sunroof. And right now I took all the interior out, or most of the interior out, door panels and the back panels. And I'm gonna go wash the car and drop it off to my body guy, and he's gonna remove the side moldings for me and get all the dents and dings out of the car, and then pay the car. So right now it's just a 98 Acura RS, completely stock other than the intake manifold. It's got an Edelbrock Victor X intake manifold, and it's got a West Wing ITR lip. And then later on today, after I'm done dropping off the car, I'm gonna go swing over to the purple sedan and finish the front wheel bearings. I don't know if I mentioned before, but in order to completely convert it to 5-lug conversion with the 32mm hubs, we are running Acura RSX hubs on CRV spindles. So I'll show you guys that later on today, but right now we're just going to go to the car wash real quick and get all the salt off the car, and yeah, go from there. So I'm waiting in line to get the car washed real quick, and you know, with the car being or with the car needing body work, I'm just running it through moo-moos real quick. But I totally forgot that I took the door panels off, and now I can't pull my windows down. But I think I'm just gonna hand the credit card to the guy up front here and let him do it. But it's a little embarrassing. See here, I put everything back but the master switch. Stupid. Oh well, stuff happens. Alrighty, so we just got done dropping off the Integra. I went ahead and ordered a new wheel bearing toolkit thing. Not sure what you want to call it. Yep, so CRV spindles. We're gonna press these hub bearings out, get the new hub bearing in along with the RSX base model hub assembly, and from there you'll be able to put it back onto your EK. Alrighty, and just like that, we got the RSX base model hubs along with the RSX base model hub bearing, 98 to 01 CRV spindles on a 96 to 2000 Civic chassis. And from there, that's how you do your front 5-lug conversion. Now we'll go ahead and order some axles, get those in, get everything buttoned up for the suspension, finish up the fuel line, and things will be ready soon. I haven't been getting a lot of views on my YouTube channel lately, and it's mainly my fault. I haven't been posting videos or interesting videos, but hopefully you guys like what you guys are seeing. I will be making more content on the Integra. That's going to be K-swap soon, and more things to come up. See you guys later.